Hello, I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial how to change feedback on eBay as a buyer. So if you are a buyer and you have left a feedback, a negative feedback or a positive feedback, and you want to change it, you can also change it from natural feedback to from natural, negative, positive, doesn't really matter. You can easily change it by doing the steps that I'm about to show you right now. So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to find your feedback. Okay, for example, if you have left a feedback, for example, on this store, you will search for the feedback, and there you will be able to see the username of the seller. Okay, so the goal here is to contact the seller, because without contacting the seller you will not be able to change it. Okay, so when you go and contact the seller and you click on contact, and now you can just click on, if you know the item number, or you can just go to your purchase, click on my eBay, click on purchase history, and you will be able to find the product there. Now from the product you can click on contact seller, or you can just copy the item number. When you click on purchase history, you will be able to see the item number, and just go to the store of the seller and then click on contact seller, and now here you want to enter the item number, or you can just do that from the purchase history like I showed you. Now after you do that, you want to just say, hi, I would like to change the feedback, can you send me a request? Now the seller only has the ability to send you the request. Now when they send you the request, it's very easy. It will take only a few seconds for them to request the feedback change. Now you want to click on messages, and then eBay will send you, hi, you got a request and you have 15 days in order to change the feedback. Now after the seller sends you the feedback, after it sends you the request to change feedback, you have like 15 days in order for you to change it. Now when you click on that, when you click on the email inside your eBay messages, here just my eBay, and then click on messages, it will give you a button that will say change the feedback. Click on it, and then you will be able to change it from positive to negative, or from negative to positive, okay, or from natural to positive. So that's exactly how you can do this. So it's very simple. You will receive the email from eBay, and then there will be a button, click on it, and then you can change it to whatever you want. So I hope, guys, this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you.